drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve.
Hi and welcome to another video from me and my kids. In today's video, I am going to be transplanting my eggplants from their seed bed to their final place where they will be growing from. And first, I'll be taking my children to school, and right now I'm refreshing myself, taking some cold morning water, and after that I'll be heading to school with my children. And after making sure that they are final at school and I'm sure that they are inside the school and they have signed, I'll be coming back and start the gardening work. And after the gardening, I'll be doing the home chores like cleaning around. So this is me taking Shayla and Sean to school. I am actually with Shadrach at my back as I am filming them. Mwingira geti yangu. Mugende mura signing. Now I am done taking my children to school. And Shadrach is right here at my back as always. That is his safest place when I'm busy. Shayla and Sean are at school right here. So I am going back home and see what's next. Hope you guys subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and then I would like to know what you think about this video in the comment section. Love you. Let me see how the day is going to be. I am trying to go back home, and you guys, you are going to see how far the school is from our home. Our home is the other place. I think you can see it.
Wanna stay home now?
Yeah, there. So I want to take you home so that you can see how far it is from my children's school up to our home. And you will notice that the school is so near, very, very near.
But I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true.
Now I am home. I am home. It takes me like 1 minute and like 20. Only 1 minute and like 20 seconds to come back home or to take the kids to school and then come back. That is 3 minutes, guys. So I am back home and it is time to take care of our home until Shayla and Sean comes back at night. In the evening, I mean. When I look at the sky, it looks like it is going to rain, even though we are in the sunny season where we don't expect rain at all. But according to the clouds, they look like as if it is going to rain. So that will be a bonus to the eggplants I am about to transplant from their seed bed. I am so happy. It is still morning and you can see that kids are still going to school. This is my seed bed and this is where I planted my eggplants a month ago, and now it is time to transplant them and take them to their permanent home. But the ground is so dry. Now I'll have to first water these eggplants so that the soil gets a little bit loose or soft to transplant these eggplants without breaking their roots. So that is what I'm going to do. And looking at my tomatoes this side, they also need to be given some time, some care, so that I may harvest some in the future, as you can see. So I'm thinking about eggplants and also the tomatoes. Right there, the chicken, guys. I have taken a long time without showing you my chicken, but very soon I'll be showing you that. So I started by digging out the holes, and after that I'll go and transplant my seedlings and bring them. As I am watering my plants and preparing them to take them to another place, let us talk about this. I hope I am not the only one who loves home gardening. I like getting some fresh vegetables from my garden direct to the pot, and that is what I am trying to do with this soil. But this soil, I think it is misbehaving. I think it wants to disappoint me, but I won't give up. No, I'll have to get some black soil well fertilized and then bring it home and do some serious gardens, guys, because I think that is what I have to do. According to this soil, it is red soil. It can't bring out some really fresh vegetables or plants. So for me to get my dream, to make my dream come alive, I will have to get some black soil from the gardens. Actually, people sell that black soil, the well fertilized one, then bring it home and make some serious gardens or vegetable gardens. That is what I'm thinking about. By doing this, I think I will cut some expenses, like buying some onions and tomatoes and some other vegetables, the eggplants and so many other things, the carrots, the capuchins. I'll have them at home, and in that way I will have to cut the costs I spend by buying those things, because honestly I can't cook food without tomatoes, maybe onions and so many carrots, eggplants. Yeah. So by planting some at home, spinach, I will have cut the cost by end of this year. So that is what I am thinking about. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about that? Do you prefer buying each and everything from the shops, from the garden shops, or planting your own at home? If you have a chance to, if you have the land or if you have the space, even if it is small like mine, what do you prefer? Me, I prefer planting my own. And this is a thing I have asked God for so long, to give me even if a small portion, so that I can plant my own vegetables and some other plants, and also rearing chicken and so many other things. But now I have that privilege, and I can't take that for granted. So I started right away planting so many things, even though some of those didn't come out well because of the type of the soil I have. But I'll have to do something about that. I thank God that I got spinach, and I have eaten spinach like 5 times here at home, and I'm so happy. I also got spring onions, and I have ate those, and I still have. But by now I planted the tomatoes. You see, guys, I planted the tomatoes, and also I planted potatoes. Yes. And my daughter is actually back from school because she feels a lot of headache. So I think I may, let me see what to do. I may take her to the hospital right now. Sure, sorry. I have talked to Shayla and checked how her headache is, and she has told me that she isn't feeling that bad. That is what she has told me, and she has told me that I can continue with my farming or with my gardening, and after that we shall go to the hospital because she can manage the pain for now. And actually Shayla has told me that if I want her to film me, she will come out and film me a little bit. Yes, guys, so I am continuing with my gardening, and after that I'll have to go to the hospital. And this is how my eggplants look like after planting them. As you can notice, this is my daughter Shayla filming me, helping me out so that I finish my morning work before a lot of sunshine may come out. And after that, I'll be taking her to the hospital to be checked out, guys. And these are my tomatoes. I really love to get some fresh tomatoes. Yes. And I am trying as much as possible to see that I get that. And you can see this tomato of mine got a lot of tomatoes. And what I'm going to do, I am going to plant a very long stick where it can grow from. It can climb from that stick, if that makes sense, so that it doesn't rot on the ground, guys. So that is what I'm trying to do, and I'll be doing this to all the tomatoes I have in my garden. And after that, I will see how I go about other tomatoes which will not have got the sticks.
Two things can be true. Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine. Wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your vanity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. Soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Two things can be true. Two things can be true. the cabinet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone new. And I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Wanna throw away your vanity, wanna wear it to sleep tonight.
I am done with my gardening and I'm taking my hoe back to its place where I store it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Now it is time to take my daughter Shayla because she has been feeling headache for almost 1 week and a half and I have to take her to the hospital. I have been managing her by giving her some Panadol here and there, but now I think it is something serious. So I took her to the hospital and that is where we are. Actually it isn't a hospital but it is a clinic and they checked her very well and it was malaria. And another thing, they told me that she may have ulcers, something which I didn't agree with.
It's wrong, it's right, soon as I pick one, I switch sides. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go, find someone.
The pain of hearing your daughter crying, the pain of hearing your child crying, it is as if the pain is from you. It is as if you are the one feeling that pain, guys. But I am so happy. By the time we came out of the clinic, Shayla was feeling better, was feeling much better, and I thank God who enabled me to take her to the hospital because sincerely it needs money. So thank you so much guys for watching my video from the beginning up to the end. Bye bye, let us meet in another one. And I thank God that right now Shayla is feeling so much better and I'm going to be showing you how she is. Look, she's feeling better, thank God.